Best healthy smoothie. How to make an healthy smoothie. I'm with a fruit smoothie recipe. So I'm making a smoothie recipe with strawberry banana smoothie recipe. Welcome to Olayemi Cooking Channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For old and new subscriber, thanks so much for being supportive. Olayemi Cooking, love cooking, easy recipe and delicious recipe with simple ingredients. So today we are making a smoothie recipe with banana and strawberries. So we are using the fresh fruit to make our smoothie recipe. So if you really want to learn how to make this smoothie recipe, please do not forget to watch this video to the end. So I have fresh banana. I'm using fresh banana. So I'm going to peel it off and cut our banana into smaller size. You can as well use a frozen fruit to make your smoothie, but actually I really enjoy making my smoothie recipe with fresh ingredients, with refreshing drinks. So it's a very refreshing drinks that you are going to enjoy. So I'm going to cut my banana into smaller size, then we'll go ahead straight to our blender jar. But before that, do not forget to hit the like button on this video to encourage me to do more of smoothie recipe. So I'm going to add my strawberry into my blender jar, already cut and cleaned it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my banana as well, just to give it that nice and good flavor. This smoothie recipe is really rich in vitamins and very refreshing. So do not forget to try it and let me know what you think about this smoothie recipe in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and add yogurt. I'm using vanilla extract yogurt. So I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So yogurt, then I'm going to go ahead and add milk. I'm using a whole milk to make my smoothie recipe. You can as well use almond milk to make your smoothie recipe. So I'm going to cover my blender jar, then I'll start making our smoothie in an easy way. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this smoothie. So I'm going to blend it until it's well mixed and well smooth. So you need to blend your smoothie until it's well mixed. You can see how thick it looks. So I'm going to blend it again to make everything well smooth and creamy. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notification of my new recipe, so you get updated every time I upload new recipe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and do not forget to share my recipe with your loved ones. You can as well check more of my smoothie recipe. I have so many recipes on smoothie as well. So let's just go ahead and blend our smoothie recipe to a perfect level until it's well creamy and well smooth. For a healthy breakfast smoothie, you can as well try this smoothie recipe for a breakfast, and as well you can try this smoothie recipe for iftar, meaning that when you finish breaking your fasting in Ramadan, you can as well try this smoothie recipe as a refreshing drink for your after side dish and as well as your side dish as well. This smoothie recipe is really perfect for any time of the day. So our smoothie recipe is ready. Let's put it in our wine glass. So I'm going to put it into a wine glass to enjoy my smoothie recipe. You can as well add an ice cube into your blender jar when you are making your smoothie, but actually because the milk and everything are very cold, so I decided not to add ice cube to it. You can see how it looks refreshing and very high in vitamins as well, and it looks delicious. Even for summer, is a perfect strawberry banana smoothie. You can see I just add strawberry on the top just to give it a nice taste. After drinking your smoothie, you can as well just eat your strawberry as well with it. Thanks so much for watching this my smoothie recipe. Please do not forget to watch this my carrot smoothie as well as mango and pineapple smoothie, and as well watch this pizza recipe. Do not forget to watch this Nigeria snacks chin chin and as well this pineapple pizza as well. Do not forget to check this dessert as well. Remember to stay connected to Olayemi Cooking Channel, and do not forget to share our recipe with your loved ones as well. And please leave all your questions in the comment section. I'm always there to answer your question to the best of my knowledge. Thanks so much for watching this my healthy smoothie recipe and with a fruit smoothie recipe. I guess I will see you guys in my next video and my next recipe. Please be safe out there.